Work expends to fill the time allotted for its completion. That's Parkinson law. Yes, that means no matter how much time do you get to complete your task, you will often stretch it beyond its deadlines, will complete it at the 11th hour, or maybe you will not be able to complete it at all. The best route to avoid it is to start early and have a roadmap. Hello everyone, this is Dr. Nidhi from Biotecnika, and in today's session we'll discuss that how many days of preparation are enough to qualify CSIR Life Sciences exam. If you have a robust study plan and you sincerely execute it, you can do it in days. If not, then years would be insufficient. 120 days. Yes, to have an almost perfect preparation plan, you must dedicate 4 months or at least 120 days to the preparation. Here we can divide our preparations into 3 phases: pre-learning, learning and post-learning. Pre-learning is the phase where you need to prepare your body and mind to get into the habit of sincere learning process. Apart from that, you need to do few important tasks as well, as to know the exam pattern well, to go through the syllabus thoroughly, to become familiar with every bit of it. Then you need to choose the units. I had done one video how to make selection of units for CSIR Life Sciences exam. Please follow the link given below. Now, once you have selected the units based on the weightage and your interest, start gathering the study material. Like, you may keep all the e-copies of all the reference books, notes and PPTs at one place. Learn to develop the time management strategy. That is the most important thing to do. Now here I will not say that study for 12 hours a day, because studying more, retaining less is of no use. But try to dedicate at least 8 hours in a day, and that too you can do it by dividing it into 2-hour slots with regular intervals. Like, you can study for 2 hours in the early morning, 2 hours before lunch or after in the afternoon, or you can study in evening or in the night. Take regular breaks. Now we are entering into the learning phase. That is the most crucial and lengthy stage of the process. Here we are still left with 3 weeks from the first month. I would suggest that start from the easy units first, because that will help you to have a better vision that whether you are able to sustain with your study plan, plus that will help you to gain confidence. So you can always start from the basic units like units 2, unit 3 and unit 4. Here we need to apply one formula: 8 plus 2 plus 3. 8 units you need to cover completely, like completely every aspect of them, so that you are able to answer part B and part C questions asked from these 8 units. So try to include 3 easy units from these 8 units in the first 3 weeks. Learn them thoroughly. Keep 1 day for question practice in each week. Next, we are entering the second month. So there you have 4 weeks. So target 4 more units from the 8 units to be learned thoroughly. Like here, you can opt for unit 1, unit 6, unit 8 and unit 10. If you have realized, I have chosen 2 units that are mostly theoretical, unit 6 and unit 10, and 2 units that from where you can expect the numerical questions to be asked. In the third month, we need to cover 1 more unit from the 8 units to be learned thoroughly. Let's say unit 30, assign 1 week. So now we are done with units 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 10 and unit 30. Time to follow the formula again. Select the next 2 units that need to be covered mostly. You may select unit 5 and unit 11. Based on the weightage and importance of the topics, you may skip some parts from these units but need to cover most of them. Now we are still left with 1 week. assigning 1 week for all the units we have talked about. Keep this 1 week as your buffer time. Try to cover the pending portions if you have any, plus practice the questions from the part which we have already covered. Moving to the last month. Keep 10 days to cover the last 3 units as per the formula 8 plus 2 plus 3. Only important units. Unit 7, Unit 9 and Unit 12. Hey, we are entering into the post-learning phase. We have covered almost everything, but all will go in vain if we will not revise and practice. So 20 days. Revise from diagrams, flow charts, tables, mind maps, whatever you have, and practice as many questions as you can. Attempting a question will help you to recall a concept related to it. Plus, it will enlighten you about the type of questions that are asked in the exam. Keep 2 units to be practiced each day to avoid boredom. So see, planning this way will help you to cover almost entire syllabus, that too in an easy manner. But be honest to yourself and to your study plan. A little bit here and there could be fine, but don't deviate too much from your study plan. Because remember, a little progress each day adds up to big results. Hope this video will be helpful. Leave your comment to let us know that how we can help you further. All the best with your preparations. Thank you.